Well, good morning. I look crazy this morning. My hair is just so undid. So I'm going for coffee this morning. I think I'm gonna go to Costa and get one of their Christmas, let's see, do I have a mask? No, I won't be going anywhere without my mask. Just after occurring to me. Okay, right, I need to go back to the house. I'm only after turning at the top of the road, so alright. And that's just the story of my life. Forget your mask and you can't do anything. Okay, so we have our mask, and I also decided to layer up because I really underestimated how cold it is outside today. It is -2. I got a lot of my Christmas presents wrapped yesterday, as you would have seen. I feel so much better now. I'm kind of a bit more organized for Christmas. I have an idea of the last few bits I need to get, so I'm gonna go to Blanche on Saturday, I think. God help me. I put up the video yesterday of me in A&E, and I got such lovely responses from you guys. Thank you so much. Like, some of them were actually making me like upset. Like, you guys were like, we're gonna say prayer for you and well wishes, and I was just like, that is just so cute, so nice, and it made me feel so much better. And I'm glad that I actually shared my story, because I just feel like maybe it might help somebody, or you know, or somebody might be able to help me, or it's just good to talk about things. And I definitely feel every single day I'm just feeling a little bit better. If you're going through something like a bad mental health spell, it's just not, it's horrible, and I went through it really badly over 3 years ago. And you guys know, like, I was suicidal 3 years ago and had to be medicated and had to be put into therapy, and I was almost sectioned. Like, it was bad. I know how bad it can be, so I need to kind of recognize patterns and stuff and like change up your way of thinking. It's just a forever thing. It's a forever thing. Like, you just, if you know, you have to look after it, whether you don't suffer badly from your mental health, but you do, you always need to keep an eye on it. It is really important, and I know from personal experience it is just really important just to look after you. You're the main priority in your life. You're not able to look after yourself, then you can't look after anybody else. You can't pour from an empty jug or an empty cup. Isn't that what they say? Anyway, so I'm gonna get my Costa this morning. I think I'm just gonna get a decaf, because I feel like a big Christmassy, chocolatey, sweet drink. I know, whatever, I don't care, it's Christmas, and I can't eat and drink so many things over Christmas. Like, I can't have pate, and I think I may have talked about this already, but I'm devo.com over pate. It's probably the only thing that I'm really upset since I've been pregnant that I can't eat. It's just because of the listeria. There's a possibility you could get food poisoning, and you don't really want to be risking that during your pregnancy. And I, again, had spoken about that before, like different things in different countries. Like, obviously in Japan, women are not going to not eat sushi. It's part of their culture, but obviously it's a recommended thing when you're pregnant not to be eating. Because I do get an awful lot of people saying things like, oh, you shouldn't be eating that, you shouldn't be eating this, you shouldn't be eating that. And I don't think people who make those comments are actually aware that I'm a qualified nutritionist, and I've done 6 years in education to become a nutritionist, between getting a Bachelor of Science degree and then doing other diplomas, higher diplomas, and I did one in sports nutrition. So I am well aware of what I should and should not be eating whilst pregnant, and also of the benefits of certain foods, especially during pregnancy. I got my coffee, and I ended up getting the purple one coffee, or the purple one latte, and they give you a purple one sweet. I'm sure everybody has Quality Street in their country, but I got a big one. Do you remember I was obsessed with the billionaire lattes? Was that 3 years ago? I can't remember if it was 2 years ago or 3 years ago, but it was a while ago, like a couple of Christmases ago, and they stopped doing them, and they were my favorite drink to have in the morning. I just loved like starting my morning off every morning getting one. It was like my little ritual. Basically like getting a hot chocolate, and they put like a marshmallow on it and cream. I was like, oh yeah, this is just hot chocolate. It's delicious though. I'm really loving that. I actually didn't even say today is Vlogmas day 15. How did I miss that? Good God. Oh, and today we are 20 weeks, so let's do a little bumpy update. So we're looking like at 20 weeks. We're kind of popping now, I think. It's definitely getting a lot bigger. You're growing, little one. So you can see it now. Loving this little bump. So as you can see, this room is like a bomb went off in it. Christmas presents, clothes that I just bought thrown here, clothes that I received in PR that I still need to talk about, PR packages on the bed, makeup, the bed. Just look like it's just a nightmare. And then there's laundry clean that I got on Saturday just after I came out of the hospital to put away, and I still haven't done that. And then clothes hanging here. So my task right now is to clean this whole room up and have it nice and fresh and minimal. And I'm just going to put everything away as much as I possibly can. I'm going to light this candle. I love this candle. Oh, if it will focus. No, it won't. Christmas Eve. It's a lovely scented candle. Okay, I'm just going to put it down here because if I try and light it whilst holding a camera, I will burn my hand. So there we go. Nice Christmas scented candle. I'll also move these cards back, obviously, so I don't burn the place down. Those cards are all going into memory boxes as well from, like, obviously finding out that I'm having a baby. Mum, Dad got me one. Paddy's parents got me one. There goes something. Paddy got me one, and where is Paddy's card actually? It was there somewhere. He wrote me the most beautiful card, and then his brothers got me another one, so I know where the rest of them are. And I need to actually purchase his Christmas card on Moonpig. I love these cards. They're so cute. Like, you can make up like whatever card that you want. He just made this one up for me for Valentine's Day, and I'm going to make him up one for Christmas, so I just think they're really cute. But anyway, I'm gonna get clean in this room. Okay, so we're getting there. All of this has been dusted and cleaned, and the bed just needs to be changed. I put everything away, and it's much cleaner here. Just my camera there. I put away all the laundry. I just have a hoodie left there. Everything up there has all been cleaned and dusted. And then these shoes, I just need to find a place for them. They're heeled boots, and I ain't gonna be wearing heel boots anytime soon. All these drawers and shelves have been dusted and cleaned, so it's just much tidier and definitely a lot cleaner. It looks still kind of like cluttered, but it's just stuff. It's so much more organized, and I'm just so much happier with it. I found these Christmas decorations in here I was going to keep up, but I think I'll just put them on the Christmas tree now and just take them with me when I go. But I thought that would have been really nice for my first Christmas tree, but I want to use them now. Right, well, I am so done with this right now. I'm going to go downstairs and relax, finish some emails, and then I'm going to watch a movie. I was just talking to Paddy there. He's had like a migraine for the last 2 days, and we're going to get his eyes tested on Saturday. It's just really not good. Like, he has migraines like I have migraines, but my glasses don't help in any way, shape or form. It's just, I just have migraine. I don't know why. I've always had them, but his are possibly related to vision. But he also obviously been an architect, spends so much time in front of a computer screen and drawings and stuff like that, so it's hard on his eyes. Then he does other bits and pieces on the computer, obviously, so he's constantly on the computer. And yeah, I think he may have kind of the same issues as I had. The only thing I would recommend for him to do is take the B12 zinc and magnesium. However, he has a phobia of swallowing tablets. What is it with men and swallowing tablets? Like the big ones, can't swallow them at all. I know loads of guys are like that. My friend Amy's husband has to cut them in half as well before he can swallow them. I don't know, so he can't take any of them supplements, but they worked wonders for me before I was pregnant. I had to come off them then because I was just taking my prenatal, but I have no problem taking any tablets like that. I just swallow them. So I don't know, he's gonna have to either do that, maybe this eye testing thing will help. He's on like supplements as well anyway. He takes supplements all the time, but I can't really suggest anything else to him other than those things, but they are debilitating. I know, as a migraine sufferer, they're horrendous. And touch wood, I haven't had one in like 4 or 5 weeks now, so I'm doing really good. I just realized I got PR, and I haven't done like a PR boxing in ages, and I have like loads of boxes here. I'm not going to go through everything today, but I will show you. But one of the cutest things I think I've gotten lately is this Born This Way little makeup bag. How cute is that? And they sent me a foundation. think it's a foundation or it's a sculpting, multi-sculpt, that's what they sent me, which I absolutely love, the sculpting concealer. But I just thought the bag was so adorable. And if you just want to throw a few bits and pieces in it if you're staying over somewhere for the night, I just thought it was really cute. Oh, it kind of like tilts though. But it is really, really cute. And they sent me this lovely little bag as well. Oops. God, it's very hard to do all this one-handed, you know. And then inside they sent me a trio of their glow tonics, or their multi-tonics. So we have the milky tonic, the glow tonic, and the retinol tonic, which I love them. And then they also sent me like another little cute makeup bag with like minis in it. Which, like, look how cute those little minis are. There's a glow mud cleanser, glow tonic, and a glow mud mask, and then like a little pack of biodegradable wipes. They are so adorable. They're some of the things that they sent to me. Oh my god, Chewy, what are you trying to do? He's trying to get comfortable, constantly lying on top of me. I love you so much, you know that, but seriously, squashing into me is not the best. Do you love me? Do you love me? You're getting your eyes done tonight. I bet you can't wait. Clean all those tears. Loads of people often ask me when I'm cooking like how I'm doing it, and I do the simplest meals anytime I ever cook. It's usually like chicken and veg. Oops, it's getting all fogged up. I'm making Thai green curry tonight, so I just put chicken and veg in. You can use any veg you want. I have rice boiling, and then I'm just going to put in some of this paste. This is the Thai green curry paste, and then a little bit of reduced fat. Oops, let me see. Reduced fat coconut milk, and this is so delicious. I love it. You don't use all of the coconut milk, it's mostly the paste. So I usually put in half the jar of this to start, and then I will taste it and see if it needs more. And once it's all covered in the paste, I then pour in a teeny bit of coconut milk, like that much, and then just mix it through and keep tasting and adding more spice if you need to, more coconut milk if you need to, and then that's all to it. A yummy Thai green curry. Which is your favourite, Thai green or Thai red? I don't really have a preference. Well, actually I do. I think I prefer the green one, but by time and time again I go for the red. So I just finished my delicious dinner, and right now I am uploading a video. Ooh, that's really bright. I'm just uploading the vlog from yesterday, and then I am done with work for the day. I'm going to watch the final episode of The Crown tonight and relax. I'm just feeling a little bit of pain today, and it could be the fibroid or it could be the ligament pains or something. I'm not really sure, but I'm just feeling a bit uncomfortable. Maybe I did too much. I don't know. I did a lot today. A lot. Paddy's coming over to me tomorrow evening because we have our scan on Thursday, and he wants to be here just to drive me to the scan. I'm so excited that he gets to come into the scan on Thursday. I'm actually so excited for it. And we're gonna go and buy a baby girl afterwards, just the two of us together, so that when the baby's here we'll be like, oh, this is the baby girl we picked the day we saw you in your scan. And I just really like the idea, so we'll probably go and get hot chocolate or something and do something Christmassy. I know I was saying he's off on Friday, but he found out that he actually has to keep working because the project that he's working on, it's a hotel and it's wrapping up and it'll be finished in like a few more days, so they needed him to stay on extra. And it's been a massive project he's been part of for over 2 years. Well, as long as we've been together he's been doing this project, so it's a long time on the go and it's finally finishing up, so I totally understand that. But I'm kind of disappointed. I thought we might get to do like some Christmassy things together on his day off, but what we'll do is we'll do them this weekend and then do some of them on Thursday. And yeah, that'll suit us both really, really well. Good night, guys. I was actually in bed. I had just done all my moisturizing and like my bio oiling, and then I just remembered I never finished today's vlog. How silly of me. Hope you guys had a fantastic day, and I will talk to all of you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Mwah. Bye guys.